Here's Tonkeeper app, Ton Wallet. Tonkeeper is the easiest way to store, send, and receive Toncoin on the open network, which is a powerful new blockchain that offers unprecedented transaction speeds and throughput while offering robust programming environments for smart contract applications. Easy to use non-custodial wallet, world-class speed, and extremely low fees, peer-to-peer subscriptions. So yep, that's just what it is. Multi-wallet, staking, browser, price charge, subscriptions, tokens. Obviously, this is the cryptocurrency which is used on Telegram. And if you're a Telegram creator, this is the cryptocurrency you're interested in, because if you run a large Telegram channel, there are ways to monetize your channel with Ton, and just do big transactions with Ton wallet. Screen, you will need to enter your passcode, 4 digits, and then here's the wallet. It's just like the wallet where you can see the Toncoin, how the price is increasing, obviously, how they just want to promote it. So it's just basically, as you can see, it increased significantly, especially during this Bitcoin rally recently. So here it is. So here is the app. Then you can just see history. You can buy Toncoin either with cards or bank, either MoonPay, Mercurio, now crypto. So you can also swap it. So you can sell it. You can change country. Then there is a browser. Buy digital gift cards with token store, buy eSIM with Ton, Ton GPT, Ton VPN. So there are all of these exchanges, DeFi, NFT, fun, and then there are like settings where you can just create backup code. Remember to do that. There is search settings. You can just discover what you want to use, Google or DuckDuckGo, address. So yeah, this is basically a Tonkeeper app, official app. But it's not just like a simple wallet. As you can see, it also has browser and access to all this Ton ecosystem which you have here. You can also stake, but yeah, first you need to get Toncoin. There aren't any grants or rewards yet. I guess it's only for, if you have like a large Telegram channel and you get, some nice like Telegram boosts, or how it's called. Like, anyways, for bigger creators on Telegram, it's possible to basically earn Toncoin. And then you can just keep it here in the wallet, and right now is growing in value. So yep, you just have it here. So that's what it is. That's the app. Yep, if you want to receive, you obviously have your address, and it's getting more and more apps here. It's getting more stores and stuff you can visit and stuff you can buy, like Token Store AO, and then you can just buy it from here. So yep, that's just what it is. So yeah, give it a try. And that's what it is.